If you're at a point right now where you have 0 clients, this is what I want you to do, right? If you're a salon owner and you have a stylist with 0 clients, this is what I want you to do. If you are a salon owner and you have 0 reviews on Google or Yelp or whatever platform, this is what I want you to do. Everyone's paying attention, right? Take your phone, go into your contacts. I'm gonna go to my contacts right here, all right? So you guys can see. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of light. There it goes. I'm gonna start at the letter A, and I'm gonna send a message to every single person in my contact list and ask them if they want to be a client. And if they don't want to be a client, if they know anybody who wants to be a client. And if you tell me that you're not doing that, that's weird. You don't care about money. You don't care about being successful. You don't value yourself as a hairstylist. You don't think you're good enough. So go back into your mindset, fix your mindset and tell yourself you're the best. And if you're not the best, if you don't believe that, then become the best. Be so good they can't ignore you. Be so good and valuable at the thing that you do, whether it's haircutting, barbering, coloring, extensions, lashes, permanent makeup, being a salon owner. If you are the best and you believe it, then you're doing every single person in your phone a disservice by not being the person who does that service on them. And if they can't get that service because they're bald or they don't do permanent makeup, maybe they have a friend or a sister or a wife or somebody else. And don't come back to me and tell me that you're struggling with being busy if you didn't message every single person you have a direct contact with. You start with your phone, every single contact. Then you go to your Instagram, every single person that follows you and you're friends with on there. Then you go to your Facebook. Then you start talking to people in public. If you just never shut up, never stop asking people, I promise you in a year, you're going to be very busy. So everybody starts at 0. The people who get to their dream result fast are the people who put the work in. So if you're the type of person right now watching this saying, I'm not going to message everybody, then you don't want to be successful. I'm sorry. You have no clients right now. If you have 500 contacts in your phone and 50 say yes, guess what? You have 50 clients now. And if you really wow them over with an amazing experience in your salon, they may tell a friend. If you have a referral program, they may tell 3 friends. That 50 turns to 150. And that 150 turns to 500. And that 500 turns to 1,000. Guess what? Money's not an issue anymore. Clients aren't an issue anymore. Your success is actually happening. But no one is going to save your business but you. I talk to people and they tell me that my owner isn't building me up. I have no clients. They're slow. Well, then what are you doing? Are you messaging everybody? Are you trying to talk to everyone you know? Probably not. You're probably sitting there in the back of the salon scrolling through Instagram or scrolling through TikTok, or you're sitting at home wondering how you're going to get busy. Maybe I should become a realtor. Maybe I should start a laundromat. Maybe I should do something else. No, you have a skill set. Become better at telling people about how great you are. It's not hard to do. Just tell the world how great you are. But you can't do it if you don't believe you're the best. So first, fix your skills. Be so good they can't ignore you. Then you tell the world how great you are, and then everything falls into place. So if you guys are watching on YouTube right now, make sure you click subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Facebook. And if you're on Instagram, you already follow me. If you want to learn more about how to build your business, some of the mindset stuff, DM me the word mindset. I'll unpack a couple things that would really help you reframe your thought process so you can actually grow the business that you love. If you are a salon owner, DM me the word grow, and we'll have a conversation going about how you can grow your salon.